Hi, I'm Gary and I will show you what energy healing can do for you and how you can tap into universal energy. See, we've been producing leading-edge Rife technology since 2005, and this is already light years ahead of the competition, and every 90 days we produce new patents and new products as we lead this field with R&D, innovation, and 100% precision. Our company, Tesla Tech, began in 2005 when one of our directors had a major stroke, living with severe heart disease, lung disease, blood and bone disease. Today, 13 years later, he is fine and uses this same Rife equipment while sleeping 4 nights a week, and this is simple to do and contain or remove even deadly disease and boost anti-aging. This science started in 1890 when Nikola Tesla discovered the frequency and developed the violet photon light. Only in 1933, a Dr. Royal Rife proved 100% that energy can heal a person rapidly using ultrasound and ultraviolet light by removing cancer from 16 terminal patients. There are over 7,000 forms of disease in our world today, and our equipment can contain or delete 3,500 types of disease in your own time and your own home. So this is quite remarkable and fully computerized today with 100% precision and backed with 80 years of research. This is the Tesla Rife 25 to deal with 25 forms of illness or rebalance the mind, body and spirit. We've made it simple to use and we preload the frequencies to work for you. Attach the two TENS pads to your stomach, the center of your body, and the frequencies radiate throughout the body from feet and up to the brain with no side effects at all. The photon UV light is placed against the skin and radiates down into the body, so it's used directly over the disease to break or remove it. This combined method is 100% effective and allows one to heal rapidly using natural alternative energy healing. An average session can be 2 hours or longer if dealing with a severe illness, so the only two kinds of people we can't help are those with a heart pacemaker or persons who want results in 5 minutes. It takes a little effort and time to restore the body. But every order is custom made and programmed with global shipping daily. So what else can this unit do? Well, each of our units is 6 Rife machines in one, multifunction. Simply select the one with enough memory or power for you. Firstly, you get direct energy healing with TENS pads, and we include enough for 1 month and they're very low cost to replace. Secondly, every unit is reprogrammable and easy to do for up to 3,500 forms of disease. That's priceless. Thirdly, every unit can do quantum, subspace or remote distance healing and or PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic therapy, an optional extra for just $129. Every unit can do biofeedback to test if you have an illness. If positive, just continue the therapy to remove it. And fifth, we have now Tesla photon violet light in place of expensive plasma light and dangerous to use, optional extra for those who want rapid recovery. Finally, every unit is easy to use for ages 5 to 95 and will last over 5 years. You can even make colloidal silver with any unit. We manufacture all the equipment, each order is custom made and programmed to help you recover rapidly with a 2-year warranty. You only need one authentic Rife machine, only made in the USA. Listen, every day 230,000 people are dying on this planet as they didn't see or use this option. Email us today at info@rifemachinerifezapper.com. From the US or Canada, you can call us toll free at 1-800-499-2849.